Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see devices that are connected to your Google account. If you're someone who uses a lot of Google services such as Gmail, Google Chrome, Android, Google Maps, Google Pay, and more, your Google account likely has a lot of personal and sensitive information about you. As a result, it's important to closely monitor who and what may be accessing your Google account. To help do this, Google makes it easy to see and manage devices connected to your Google account, even giving you the ability to look at when those devices last accessed your account and where they were located geographically. You can even sign out of your account remotely on that device. Now let's walk through the steps to see devices connected to your Google account. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. Log into your account if prompted. You'll land on your Google account home screen. Step 2. Tap to select Security on this screen. The Security menu is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down the security screen until you arrive at the Your Devices section, and then tap Manage Devices at the bottom of that section. The Where You're Signed In screen will be displayed. You can see more information about any single device by tapping on that device. You'll see when the device first signed into a Google service, the last time it signed into a Google service, when and where that device last accessed a Google service, and the web browsers you're signed in on. Step 4. If you want to sign out of any of these devices, tap the ellipses in the upper right corner of that device summary to open a menu, and then tap Sign Out in the menu. A window appears asking if you want to sign out of this device. Step 5. Tap Sign Out in the window to confirm that you want to sign out of your Google account on this device. A message is displayed confirming that you're now signed out of all Google accounts on that specific device, but warning you that some third-party apps may still have access to your Google account. Tap OK. You'll be returned to the list of devices you're signed into with this Google account. Repeat this process to sign out of this Google account on any other devices. Finally, if you scroll down to the bottom of this screen, you can see what devices you've signed this Google account out of in the last 28 days. Let me know what your favorite Google services are in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.